Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover the secrets of living a luxurious life without breaking the bank. The idea of living luxuriously often conjures images of opulent palaces, champagne flowing like a river, and lavish spending. But we're here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. Today, we're going to unveil the mysteries of frugal finance, the art of acquiring luxury items and experiences at a fraction of the cost. Let's begin. Segment 1. Home Decor. Welcome to the first segment of our luxurious living on a budget journey, where we'll be diving into the world of home decor. Your home is your sanctuary, a place where you can relax, unwind, and escape the chaos of the world. But who says that creating a luxurious and stylish home has to come with a hefty price tag? We're here to show you that you can have the home of your dreams without spending a fortune. From vintage rugs to chandeliers, we'll uncover the secrets of finding luxury home decor items at a fraction of the cost. First, let's talk about the art of secondhand shopping. You'd be surprised at the treasures you can find at thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces. These are the perfect places to score vintage and antique pieces that will add character and charm to your home. Next, we'll delve into the world of online marketplaces, where you can find designer items at a fraction of the retail price. From designer furniture to high-end artwork, the possibilities are endless. Lastly, we'll take a look at some of the most sought-after luxury home decor items and where to find them for less. From elegant chandeliers to plush velvet sofas, we'll show you how to elevate your home decor without draining your bank account. So come along and let's discover the art of creating a luxurious and stylish home on a budget. Segment 2. Fashion. Welcome to the second segment of our luxurious living on a budget journey, where we'll be delving into the world of fashion. Every woman dreams of owning designer clothes and shoes, but the high prices can be a deterrent. But we're here to show you that you can look like $1 million without spending it. From consignment stores to sample sales, we'll unveil the secrets of finding luxury fashion items at a fraction of the cost. Let's start by talking about the art of consignment shopping. You'd be amazed at the designer clothes and shoes you can find at consignment stores. These stores offer pre-owned designer clothing, shoes, and accessories at a fraction of the retail price. Next, we'll delve into the world of sample sales, where you can score designer items at a fraction of the cost. From designer dresses to high-end shoes, sample sales are a great way to score luxury fashion items on a budget. Lastly, we'll take a look at some of the most sought-after luxury fashion items and where to find them for less. From designer handbags to high-end shoes, we'll show you how to elevate your wardrobe without draining your bank account. Segment 3. Travel. The idea of traveling in style and luxury often brings to mind pictures of five-star hotels, private jets, and exotic destinations. But we're here to tell you that you can have the vacation of your dreams without spending a fortune. From off-season travel to package deals, we'll unveil the secrets of finding luxury travel experiences at a fraction of the cost. Let's start by talking about the art of off-season travel. You'd be amazed at the deals you can find when traveling during the off-peak season. From discounted hotel rates to cheaper airfare, off-season travel is a great way to save money while still having a luxurious vacation. Next, we'll delve into the world of package deals, where you can score luxury travel experiences at a fraction of the cost. From all-inclusive resorts to luxury cruises, package deals offer a great way to have a luxurious vacation without breaking the bank. Lastly, we'll take a look at some of the most sought-after luxury travel experiences and where to find them for less. From all-inclusive resorts to luxury cruises, we'll show you how to elevate your travel experience without draining your bank account. Segment 4. Food and dining. Welcome to the fourth segment of our luxurious living on a budget journey, where we'll be indulging in the world of food and dining. The idea of fine dining and gourmet meals often brings to mind pictures of fancy restaurants, Michelin stars, and high prices. But we're here to tell you that you can savor the delights of luxury dining without breaking the bank. From happy hour specials to off-peak dining, we'll unveil the secrets of finding luxury food and dining experiences at a fraction of the cost. Let's start by talking about the art of happy hour special. You'd be amazed at the deals you can find when dining during happy hour. From discounted appetizers to cheaper drinks, happy hour specials are a great way to save money while still having a luxurious dining experience. Next, we'll delve into the world of off-peak dining, where you can score luxury dining experiences at a fraction of the cost. From gourmet food trucks to private chef services, off-peak dining offers a great way to have a luxurious meal without breaking the bank. Lastly, we'll take a look at some of the most sought-after luxury food and dining experiences and where to find them for less. From gourmet food trucks to private chef services, we'll show you how to elevate your dining experience without draining your bank account. Segment 5. Beauty and personal care. The idea of high-end beauty products and treatments often brings to mind pictures of expensive salons, spa treatments, and designer fragrances. But we're here to tell you that you can have the beauty and personal care of your dreams without spending a fortune. From subscription boxes to sample sales, we'll unveil the secrets of finding luxury beauty and personal care products at a fraction of the cost. Let's start by talking about the art of subscription boxes. You'd be amazed at the deals you can find when subscribing to beauty boxes. From discounted beauty products to exclusive samples, subscription boxes are a great way to save money while still having access to high-end beauty products. Next, we'll delve into the world of sample sales, where you can score luxury beauty and personal care products at a fraction of the cost. From designer fragrances to organic skincare products, sample sales offer a great way to have access to high-end beauty products on a budget. Lastly, we'll take a look at some of the most sought-after luxury beauty and personal care products and where to find them for less. From designer fragrances to organic skincare products, we'll show you how to elevate your beauty and personal care routine without draining your bank account. Segment 6. Entertainment. The idea of VIP experiences and high-end shows often brings to mind pictures of expensive concert tickets, private film screenings, and exclusive events. But we're here to tell you that you can have the entertainment of your dreams without spending a fortune. From ticket lotteries to off-peak performances, we'll unveil the secrets of finding luxury entertainment experiences at a fraction of the cost. Let's start by talking about the art of ticket lotteries. You'd be amazed at the deals you can find when entering ticket lotteries. From discounted concert tickets to exclusive experiences, ticket lotteries are a great way to save money while still having access to high-end entertainment. Next, we'll delve into the world of off-peak performances, where you can score luxury entertainment experiences at a fraction of the cost. From VIP concert experiences to private film screenings, off-peak performances offer a great way to have access to high-end entertainment on a budget. Lastly, we'll take a look at some of the most sought-after luxury entertainment experiences and where to find them for less. From VIP concert experiences to private film screenings, we'll show you how to elevate your entertainment experience without draining your bank account. So come along and let's discover the art of creating a luxurious and stylish entertainment experience on a budget. Segment 7. Additional tips. As you've seen, there are many ways to elevate your lifestyle without emptying your wallets. But there are still some additional tips that we want to share with you to help you continue living luxuriously on a budget. First, we want to talk about the art of loyalty programs. Many companies offer loyalty programs that give you discounts or rewards for repeat customers. These programs can be a great way to save money while still having access to high-end products and services. Next, we'll delve into the world of cashback apps, where you can earn cashback on your purchases. These apps are a great way to save money on your shopping and can be used to purchase luxury items and experiences. Lastly, we want to remind you to think outside the box when it comes to luxury living. Luxury living is not about spending a lot of money, but rather about finding ways to enjoy the finer things in life while still being financially savvy. So, don't be afraid to get creative and think outside of the traditional ways of luxury living. We hope you've enjoyed this journey and have learned some valuable tips on how to live luxuriously on a budget. Remember, living luxuriously is not about how much you spend, but how you spend it. So, go out there and make your life more luxurious on a budget.